Welcome, junior detectives, to this exciting explainer. We've got a fantastic mystery to solve today, so let's skip the boring introductions and just dive straight into our very first case.
All right, I want you to picture something in your mind right now. Imagine a basket sitting right in front of you. And inside this basket, there are 10 red, round, super juicy apples. But right in the middle of all those apples, there's one long yellow banana. Take a really good look at that picture in your head. Now tell me, which one of these fruits is strange? Like, which one clearly doesn't belong in the basket?
If you just yelled out, banana, you nailed it. You are absolutely right. That banana is completely different from the rest of the group, isn't it? It's the odd one out. So, what is an anomaly?
Spotting that strange fruit actually has a very cool special name in computer science. It's called anomaly detection. Basically, this just means finding something unusual in a big group of normal things. Think about how a computer works. When it looks at a massive pile of information and sees that almost everything looks exactly the same, but one tiny thing looks totally different, well, the computer acts just like a little data detective trying to spot it. So the golden rule to remember here is this: normal plus one odd thing equals an anomaly. Pointing to that one yellow banana in a giant basket full of normal red apples is exactly what anomaly detection is. It's just finding that one single puzzle piece that doesn't fit the rest of the picture.
All right, let's practice together.
Okay, imagine you're standing in your favorite candy shop. You're checking out all the shelves, and you know for a fact that the normal candy packets here always have 10 candies inside them. But then, wait a second. You spot one packet sitting there, and it only has 3 candies in it. Just 3. A computer acting as a data detective would flag this strange packet immediately and say, hold on, why is this one so different from all the rest? Let's look at another mystery. Think about a student going to school. The normal pattern, the everyday routine, is that this student arrives every single day right at 8 a.m. sharp. But then, out of nowhere, the pattern breaks. One day, the student arrives at 11 a.m. That's highly unusual, right? What's super interesting here is what this tells us about patterns in general. When a normal pattern is broken, it equals a possible anomaly. When our computer detective sees this normal routine completely shatter, like someone showing up 3 hours late for class, it immediately spots it as an anomaly. It wants to know exactly why that happened. And honestly, you can spot these broken patterns everywhere in your life. Think about waiting for the school bus. If 10 buses arrive perfectly on time, but one single bus is super late, yep, that's an anomaly. Or what about in your classroom? If a student gets mostly normal marks on their tests all year long, and then suddenly gets one super unusual mark, boom, that's an anomaly too. These broken patterns happen all around us all the time.
Detectives in the real world. So we can easily spot bananas and late buses, but why is this actually so important? Well, this exact same skill of finding the odd one out is literally a superpower used by computer pros everywhere. Anomaly detection stops bad guys and helps people in some seriously important jobs. Take banks, for example. They use it to find fraud, like if someone is trying to steal money. Hospitals use it to catch strange health signals so they can keep patients safe. Factories use it to spot machine problems before a big, expensive breakdown happens. And websites? They use this tiny data detective to catch hackers trying to sneak in and cause trouble. In all of these jobs, the computer is just doing one simple thing: looking for the broken pattern. Which actually brings us to a really awesome way to think about this. It is literally like a superhero for data. Finding that one weird thing out of a million normal things, that is a true superpower. It saves money, it protects websites, and in places like hospitals, it can even save lives. Time to spot your own anomalies.
All right, junior detectives, we're wrapping up our training in today's explainer. If you only remember one thing today, make it this: anomaly detection equals finding the unusual thing. Whether it's a yellow banana hiding in a basket of red apples, a super late bus, or a hacker trying to break into a video game, it is all just a really smart way to find the odd one out. So I want to leave you with one final question. Next time you see something strange, could it be an anomaly? I'm challenging you to use your new superpower today. Look around your classroom, your home, your neighborhood, and see if you can spot the odd one out. Keep your eyes peeled, detectives.